Thanks, Carl. Well, a recent study has revealed nearly half of all 5-year-olds have one or more decayed or missing teeth, and 10% were found to have more than 7 decayed teeth. With more, I'm joined by Dr. Levi. Good morning to you, Mark.
Hey, Lisa, good to see you.
What's happening with our kids' teeth? What is causing this?
Generational change. There's a big change in dietary things that are happening, Lisa. The supermarket aisle, 3 issues. If you buy a health food bar, it's full of sugar. If you're buying a dried fruit in that aisle of the supermarket, it's very, very sticky. And if you're giving the kids maybe a juice in the morning, there's no fluoride, there's no water in it. So there's a lot of dietary change happening there, Lisa.
So you put this all down to dietary? It's not, you know... Is there fluoride in the water at the moment or isn't there? I'm never quite sure.
There's fluoride in the water in most parts of Australia. There are some groups that are opposed to it. But the dental industry in Australia is the one pushing to say, shove the fluoride in, shove the fluoride in. It'll keep the kids' teeth healthier. And get some education out there in the marketplace. There's not enough education today. There was 10 years ago. It's swayed. We're back to not enough education. Get the local dentist with mum, dad, grandma. Get the local dentist to come and chat with them for 10 minutes and talk to them about education.
Make them understand. That red dye in the teeth thing always works.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
It freaks my kids out. It's actually quite good. It works. Does it really matter, though, if there are holes in babies' teeth? Because the adult teeth will eventually come through. Or is it all about education early and making sure they have good dental hygiene throughout their lives?
There's a school that says teach mums especially about teeth before babies have teeth, well before they have teeth. And the kids, you don't want the kids to have holes, you don't want them to have dental visits that are yucky, you don't want their teeth to fall out because that affects the adult teeth coming through. And you don't want them, and then you end up with these crooked, messy mouth.
Yeah. And we still don't have a proper dental health scheme in this country, so prevention is the best cure.
Prevention's the best cure, Lisa, no question at all.
Love a cliche this time of the morning. Good to see you. Thanks for that.
Thanks a lot, Lisa. Cheers.
All right, it is time now for a look